Look at all these leaves.
The whole yard is orange and red.
It is pretty, but it is a lot.
I will rake it all before the game.
It is windy today, though.
A little wind is fine.
And the neighbor's big maple is still full.
Not my problem. I rake my yard.
Where do you want the pile?
Right in the middle, one big pile.
Here are the bags.
We will fill 10 bags easy.
I will rake the side.
I will do the big part.
Race you.
You are on. Look at my pile. So neat.
It is huge. Good job.
Almost done already.
Get the bags ready.
One big pile right in the center.
Wait, feel that?
Feel what?
The wind, it is picking up.
Whoa, there it goes.
Your pile is flying everywhere.
No, come back, leaves.
They are all over the yard again.
My beautiful pile gone.
I told you it was windy.
Okay, you told me.
Let's start over.
This time I will use the leaf blower.
Faster than a rake?
Much faster.
Watch. Point it away from the house.
I know. Here we go.
The leaves are moving.
See? I am a pro.
Wait, the wind changed.
They are blowing back at me.
They are in your hair.
I am blowing leaves onto myself.
The kids next door are laughing.
Of course they are.
Turn it off. Back to the rake.
The rake never blew leaves in my face.
Lesson learned. Okay, the yard is finally clear.
10 bags. Every leaf is gone.
It looks so clean.
I am never doing that again.
Tom, look at the fence.
What now?
The neighbor's maple is dropping leaves.
Onto our yard?
A whole new layer over the fence.
We just cleared it.
The wind is blowing them right to us.
It will never end.
Their tree is huge.
We could rake all day.
So, maybe we stop fighting it?
What do you mean?
Let's make one giant pile.
One more pile? Why?
Not to bag it, to jump in it.
Jump in the leaves? Like kids?
Exactly like kids.
Okay, rake it bigger.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Jump!
Ah, leaves everywhere.
This is way better than bagging.
Who cares about a clean yard?
Not me. Again.
Let's sit on the porch for a bit.
I will get us some apple cider.
Warm cider on a cool day. Perfect.
Look, more leaves are falling.
Right onto our clean yard.
I do not even care anymore.
The yard will be covered by morning.
Then we jump in it again.
It is a pretty kind of mess.
Cheers to the messy yard.
And the neighbor's giant tree.
May it keep us busy every fall.